Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change store currency on Shopify. And the first thing you need to do is head over to www.shopify.com using your favorite browser or preferred browser. And then once you get to the home menu here, you're going to click on General on the left hand side. On the right hand side over here you can see some options. I want to change the currency. So this is currency display. To marry the currency for customers, go to market. But what to change our own currency, this is where you change. You can see right now it says Naira, so click on this and click on change store currency. And see, then change the one you want, choose the one you want, and once you're through, you should leave the reason for change. If you don't leave the reason, you can leave it and then click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this people talk every day. Thanks for watching.